how to get approved for a loan to buy rental property. Did you know there are loans to buy rental properties that do not require you to show your tax returns, your W-2s, your pay stubs, or any of your income in order to qualify? Did you know that you can build an entire portfolio of rental properties using these loans and maybe even quit your job? Did you know you do not need perfect credit in order to qualify for these loans? Well, I am a real estate entrepreneur, a multi-millionaire, mentor, speaker, author, mama-fied, and so much more, but I became wealthy in real estate using just these types of loans. I'm going to share with you exactly how you get approved for these loans, what you do with them, and how you can make tons of money in the process. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, all you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
In this video, I'm going to explain to you an easy step-by-step process on the entire loan approval on how to get approved for loans for rental property. I'm going to share with you a super secret way to get 100% financing by doing just two things. And I'm going to share with you a new way to make double what other people are making with their rental properties. There's so many benefits to having rental properties. You may not know this, but real estate is the #1 way to wealth. Over 89% of all millionaires have been created through real estate. Real estate offers some of the easiest and most stable and consistent cash flow when it comes to investments. Rental properties provide you with three major things that I absolutely love that transformed my financial picture. The first one being cash flow. Rental income from rental properties is one of the things that helped me quit my job. I was able to get in money every single month from my rental property. I was able to save that money, and I was able to use that income to replace my income from working a job, allowing me to quit my job. The second thing that it offers is equity. Every time you put down money or you make a mortgage payment, you are growing the equity on your property. So even if you put down $20,000 on a property, usually that is considered $20,000 worth of equity because the property is valued at one thing and you owe this amount, and anything in between is your equity. Then last but not least, real estate offers appreciation, and rental properties is the perfect thing to do to use leveraged appreciation. Appreciation is the fact that real estate goes up, generally speaking, over time without you doing anything. Because there is more real estate being built and the cost of labor and materials goes up over time, so does the value of real estate over time go up. Therefore, just having a property and holding it for 2 years, 3 years, even 5 years will allow you to gain appreciation and gain equity simply by using appreciation, which is the time going by and the value going up. Additionally, because you have rental properties, someone else is paying down the mortgage. So that is leverage appreciation. You have won the mortgage, being that you were able to get the property using a mortgage. You didn't have to save $200,000 to get a rental property. You were able to put down maybe just 10 or 20% and get a rental property and use a mortgage. But more importantly, your tenants or your guests are paying down that mortgage every single month, increasing your personal wealth. This is an amazing way to start paying off your properties without using your own money. Basically, you are leveraging other people to pay your mortgages, and you are leveraging mortgages to get and acquire rental property. Let me show you a quick example of how you can quickly grow your income. I'm going to go to the whiteboard and draw an illustration so you can see how quickly and easy it is to get one rental property and easily, after just a year or two, transform that into 4 to 6 or even 10 rental properties. So this is a quick example on how I actually turned one property into several properties and how you can do the exact same thing. So instead of using a traditional investor loan, you literally can buy your primary residence, put 3% down, and then turn the property into a rental property. Now, of course, legally and ethically, you have to move into the property, but just know that most people's first investment property, their first rental property, is actually their first primary residence, and then they move out of it and get another property. So let me quickly show you. So I bought a townhouse that was about $195,000, okay? So say I get this house and it is $195,000, okay? Just a townhouse. I had to put down 3%, and with closing costs and everything like that, it was about $10,000 that it cost me to get this home. Now, fast forward when I sold the house 3 years later. Think about that. 3 years later, I was able to sell this house for $335,000. Let's just use round numbers, okay? So 335 minus 195 is what in profit? Okay, that's 13, that's 4, that's 2, that's $140,000 in profit. Think about that, $140,000 in profit for a property that I only had to keep 2 or 3 years. Well, I told you it cost me $10,000 to get it. So how many properties could I actually get with $140,000 cash? Well, you could easily get more properties, even if you got, just say, you got bigger houses, or houses went up in value. And instead of taking $10,000 to get each property, it cost you $20,000 to get each property. Okay, no big deal. Say this is $20,000, this is $20,000, and this is $20,000. You could get that one property, you turned it into 4 properties easily. That would be $80,000, and you would still have $60,000 profit that you can use and keep as reserves. Now again, then you do this again in 2 years, 3 years. Basically, we keep our rental properties for 2 to 5 years, and then we sell them. So we're able to keep multiplying our properties, because again, this one goes up in value, and after 2 years, now I'm able to get, 2, 3 more properties with it. And then I do that over and over and over again with each of my properties. And I'm easily and quickly able to build a rental portfolio, starting with just a little bit amount of money. And like I told you, you can use business credit to get that first down payment. Now let's talk about how to get approved for the loan. There are so many ways to get 100% financing in order to get your rental properties. The first of which is to build business credit, get a business credit card, a business loan, or a business line of credit, and use that money as the down payment. Then you will get what we call a debt service coverage ratio loan, DSCR loan, which will allow you to get approved without showing your tax returns, your pay stubs, or your W-2. In fact, you don't have to show any of your income in order to get qualified for these loans. It will qualify you for the loan using the proposed rental income that you will receive from the property. This is amazing, and it is a great opportunity that people have been using to get rental properties for years, but now it is becoming more widely available to general consumers like you and I. I am sharing this with you because getting a DSCR loan is an amazing way to build a portfolio of rental properties. You literally can get qualified just off of the income that the tenant will pay you, or what the money that you will make by putting it on sites like Airbnb, Vacation Rental by Owner, Expedia.com, Booking.com, and other short-term rental sites. You do not have to have the money in order to start getting rental properties. This will be able to create income for you, and in many cases, you can use that rental income to replace your income from your job and create an entire empire with rental property. Another method that we use to get rental properties is to use what we call the 𝐵RR method. 𝐵RR stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. Doing these things will allow you to get rental property that needs to be essentially fixed and flipped, but instead of fixing and flipping it, meaning fixing it up and then immediately selling it, you will refinance the property into a different mortgage, and you will put a tenant in that property and keep that property long-term to create income for yourself and gain the equity and the appreciation of the property going up in value over time. Using the 𝐵RR method has created many multimillionaires, and it is one of the methods that I used early on to build my personal wealth. I started investing in real estate when I had bad credit, bankruptcies, bad credit, no money, no job, just the worst situation ever. I started by doing what we call wholesaling, where I would find people that were having a distress of their property, meaning they were losing it in foreclosure, in bankruptcy, divorce, probate, something like that. Then I would flip those contracts for a fee. Well, once I became a seasoned investor, I was able to then keep those properties and create a portfolio of rental properties. You can easily do this, especially if you have then fixed your credit by getting in money from wholesaling and different things like that. There are so many no-cost ways to invest in real estate, and this is just one of many. 𝐵RR is an amazing technique to getting rental properties and finding properties for pennies on the dollar, adding value by renovating them, then putting a tenant in them to create income for yourself, then keeping the property so that you have it long term and you get the appreciation of the property going up in value over time. Do you have questions about this and would like to speak to my team? Well, go to 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏𝗏.com. You can go to 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏𝗏𝗏.com and speak to someone on my team, and we can help you get financing. We can help you learn and invest in real estate. We can even help you with business credit and business funding. That's 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏.com. Go to 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 and fill out the application so that you can speak to me and my team. Spots are limited, and we will not be able to do this for very long. Go to callnoel.com today so that you can speak to me or my team and we can get you started on your journey. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success.